So, hello, this is our video recording, our video presentation for our project design in fulfillment with the requirements for Software Design 1. I am Hernandez Zachary James, currently not enrolled with any track elective.
I'm Lombogron Cerces and my elective is System Administration.
So, for our project, our client is Lekezi, which is an online seller or for thrifted clothing who releases 20 items per collection and is sold in a bidding system. They are operating purely on an online selling system or using social media platforms, specifically Facebook and TikTok for live selling. And for communications with their customers or clients, they use primarily uh, private messages, and that also includes the tracking of bidding systems and logging of the bidders and their offers. And in terms of delivering their purchased items, the seller uses LBC as a courier for the said products for outside Marikina customers, whereas inside Marikina, the seller or the owner meets up with the said clientele. Our project is titled as Developing an E-commerce Web App with an AI-driven chatbot, which aims to provide a better system for managing inventory and also a better system for managing the betting system. This another objective is for the web app to include or to host a chat room with an artificial intelligence capable of catering to the user's queries. These involve bidding systems or questions about the said items. And lastly, we aim to test and evaluate the accuracy or the contribution that this project will provide to the owner or the business admins. As in this part of the presentation is a mock-up for the user interface of the web app itself. For the left, we can see the login for the users for either system administrators or the customers for the business. And for the right is the basic homepage or the main page that will greet the customers. If they move to the another tab, they will find the listings or the collection, which includes the images of the items being sold as well as other information that is needed. And another page, or second to the last page in the web app, is a page for satisfied customers or proofs or comments that the user or the customers that have bought from the business can provide their insights or comments for the business and can also include images of their purchased items. Lastly, the last feature that this web app will have is the chat room session with the NLP AI chatbot that can entertain or answer any of the user's queries. The business admins or business owner can also intervene or step into the chat and converse directly with the customers.
So for the next is potential alternative designs. So for this slide, we check our tech stacks that could support the product. Flask with MySQL is simple and fast to build with. Mern is good for interactive web apps because it's fully JavaScript. So Django with PostgreSQL offers stronger structure and security. So these options show the system can be built in different ways depending on what the client values. So next. Next is implementing plan. So this timeline shows how the project will be developed step by step. So we start with planning and system design, then move to database setup and both front end and back end development. So after that, we train the chatbot, integrate payments, test the full system, improve the security, prepare documentation, and finish with deployment. Next. So cost. estimate. So the cost mainly covers hosting, domain, and cloud database services. So it also includes development tools, storage, and the resources needed for the chatbot. So everything listed focuses only what's necessary to run and maintain the system. Next slide. So risk and action plan. So here are the key risks and how we address them. So for the small data set, we gather more data and have it validated. For high traffic, we run load test and use caching. If the chatbot misinterprets queries, we retrain the model and add fallback replies. And for database issues, we rely on encryption and regular security updates. So, for our conclusion, our project focuses on giving the client a more organized, reliable, and efficient platform for selling their items. So, by combining an e-commerce site with an AI-assisted chat system, we aim to solve their current problem in inventory, messaging, and bidding. With the planned timeline, cost-efficient setup, and clear risk management, the system is designed to be practical, scalable, and ready for real use.
Okay na ba? Uy, dapat. Tapos
Sige,
na.
tapos na rin sa boss.
Ang ina. Tanggal na sa listahan. Bye, sige, good luck.
Eh,
Bye-bye.
bye. Okay, okay, okay. Thank
Tama,
you.
tama.